To join the Temu affiliate program, just type in Google Temu affiliate program. The first link that appears, click on it, and after you can see, you can click the get started button or the join now button, and then you just sign in with any of those services here. I will use my Google account now, and after I sign up, I will show you how it looks like. We just sign up, and yeah, we just ignore those gifts here. Like you can see, it's explaining some stuff here. So you get 20% commissions and an extra 10% download reward when someone you refer who downloads and orders. So you can see here, you can click share to earn, and then you have like this here copy link. This link here, when we paste it here, you can see this is your referral link, and this is the link you will use to get referrals and yeah, sign up people. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next guide.